So in the previous lecture we are discussing three types of system: closed system, open system and isolated system. We have studied about the closed system. क्लोज सिस्टम क्या होता है कि जिसमें हमें एनर्जी विल ट्रांसफ़र इन एंड आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम. कि हमने एक डायग्राम में पिस्टन सिलेंडर अरेंजमेंट डायग्राम बनाया था, जिसमें हमने ये पिस्टन बनाया था. दिस इज़ पी पिस्टन एंड दिस इज़ सिलेंडर. और उसमें हमने दिखाया था कि यहाँ पे जो सिस्टम के अंदर वाली बाउंड्री, जो सिलेंडर के अंदर वाला पार्ट है, उसको हमने बाउंड्री से डिनोट किया था. और ये कोई भी, इसमें कोई भी किसी तरह की गैस हो सकती है सिस्टम में. ठीक है, दैट विल एक्ट एज ए सिस्टम. और उसमें हमने बताया था कि देयर वुड बी द हीट ट्रांसफ़र, बट देयर इज़ ऑल्सो वर्क ट्रांसफ़र विल ऑल्सो बी देयर. That would be also provided by delta W. कि delta W, that must positive work done by the gas would be there. So that positive work done by the gas would be also termed as a work transfer in the closed system. Now we'll study with the open system. In case of open system, both matter and energy will transfer across the system. So here matter or mass and energy both will transfer in and out of the system. That is that these would be the transient energies. The transient energies will include work transfer and heat transfer in case of ओपन सिस्टम. ओपन सिस्टम में हमें दोनों तरह की ट्रांसफ़र होती है, मैटर की भी और एनर्जी की भी. तो हम अगर ओपन सिस्टम का बेसिक डायग्राम बनाएं कि हमारे पास लाइक विल से इंजीनियरिंग डिवाइस विच विल बी गिविंग लाइक विल से थर्मल पावर प्लांट. और उसमें क्या है कि थर्मल पावर प्लांट में हमने सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमारे पास बॉयलर है. लेट दिस बी बॉयलर. और ये आगे क्या कर रहा है, ये हमारे पास है टरबाइन. देन देयर इज़ यू विल से अ स्मॉल पॉट कंडेंसर देयर. कंडेंसर and another here it is denoted by pump. ठीक है. So pump will the pump will do work on the system. So work is done by the pump here. Work is done by the pump. So we will have this delta W here, and here positive work done by the turbine itself. Work is done on the system. Work is done by the system. And here heat transfer, delta Q heat transfer through the boiler, heat would be added, and here heat would be reduced by the condenser. This diagram is clear. So this diagram shows our in any we always, whenever we consider the open system, we consider any example of engineering device, whether it is water turbine, whether it is condenser, whether it is a heat pump, or it is a combination of all that, all other devices, like in case of thermal power plant system, we are having all types of devices. So this is the example, real example of the open system. Or in case of general everyday example, we can say that there is a example of a cup of tea, that is an open system. Okay, so a cup of tea is a open system. So here we'll say that this diagram shows us about the open system. So we'll have some detail about the open system also, because boiler में क्या है, boiler में heat transfer हो रही है. There are two different transient energies, work transfer and heat transfer are the transient energies being there. So there is a there isn't any type of stored type of energy, that means kinetic energy or potential energy, which are stored type of energies. We don't have we aren't considering here kinetic energy and potential energies as a stored type of energies. Only we are considering transient energies, work transfer and heat transfer. So here one more important thing, that whenever we draw this type of system, there is also mass. How mass would be shown here? Mass would be in and out of the system, that this boiler will add heat, or will have, we can say that in case of boiler we are only having transferring the heat or adding the heat, but in case of pump and turbine we are entering water or any fluid. Water or any fluid will go inside the system, and it will leave the system. In case of turbine, water will leave the system. So here it will enter the system, here it would leave the system. So here these two inlets and outlets will be considered as the reference point for the mass transfer. So mass will be transferring from this inlet to the outlet. So these 2 points would also be considered in the boundary. सो इस बाउंड्री में जो है ये दोनों पार्ट्स भी कंसीडर होंगे, इसीलिए हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे, ओपन सिस्टम, जिसमें मास ट्रांसफ़र भी है और हीट ट्रांसफ़र भी है. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द ओपन सिस्टम. देन नेक्स्ट वी विल हैव द आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम. Isolated type of systems. So here there would be no heat transfer, there would be no matter transfer of matter, and there would be no, let this be the isolated system. So here no heat transfer will take place, जो ये heat transfer की बात कर रहे हैं, and work transfer, no work transfer. Delta W would be 0, heat transfer would be 0, and delta M is also 0, that is mass transfer. Mass transfer will also be 0, no heat transfer, no mass transfer, no work transfer. So this is the example, is universe is an example, and you can also say there is a everyday routine life example is called thermos flask, or you can say vacuum flask. Okay, so this is all about the isolated and